Kubernetes Recipes. I know there are wonderful books outside about Kubernetes, about architecture, about theory, but what Greg and I wanted to create is something unique. A practical cookbook, like a recipe book that you can copy and paste in your cluster to succeed in your day-to-day workflow. We leverage the same technology that big companies use every day, LinkedIn, CERN, Apple, Microsoft, Google, and we included the latest innovation around Kubernetes. I'm talking about Carpenter, Service Mesh, Custom Resource Definition, Prometheus, Grafana, and Istio. We are super proud about this book because it enables the ML workflow of tomorrow. We're talking about technology, about KNative, Kubeflow, and everything is a recipe that you can copy and paste in your cluster. If you're a beginner with Kubernetes, we got it. We start from the beginning, like the simple deployment, but the things are getting more interesting, adding a sidecar for observability, and altogether how to manage the best high availability, how to get the networking configured in the best way with Istio, with a set manager, and how to leverage external sources, for example, for managing secret. Thinking about some secret vault that your organization might have. And everything is covered in this book, and we try to create a guide that you can use in your day-to-day setup. If you are also a system administrator, we try to include how to backup etcd, how to get how to upgrade your cluster in the best and easy way. And what else? Well, green IT is a big thing. So we included a section about Kepler, how to get the power consumption directly from a cluster, your cluster node. ML workflow is a big part of this book because what also we found in the latest KubeConf is that Kubernetes and MLflow stay together. Big company like OpenAI leverage every day for creating wonderful AI resources of tomorrow. So we included KNative and Kubeflow in order to deploy your wonderful resource. Kubernetes is great because it'll allow you to partition your CPU, memory, and GPUs and get the best of your workflow. So I can't wait to hear your use case and your success story with Kubernetes. The book is available worldwide today in all the best shop as well as Amazon. And Greg and I can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you so much.